How many sharp teeth does an adult lion have? A. 28, B. 30, C. 32.
C. 32.
What is the total number of remaining wild lions in the world? A. Around 10,000. B. Around 100,000. C. Around 500,000.
A. Around 10,000.
How do lions typically hunt? A. By poisoning. B. By ambush. D. By electric shock.
B. By ambush.
What is the gestation period of a lioness? A. About 1 month. B. About 3 months. C. About 6 months.
C. About 6 months.
How much does an average male lion weigh? A. Around 50 kilograms. B. Around 250 kilograms. C. Around 1,000 kilograms.
B. Around 250 kilograms.
How does a male lion distinguish itself from a lioness in appearance? A. Larger size. B. Larger tail. D. Larger ears.
A. Larger size.
What animal is considered a strong competitor to lions in terms of diet and ecosystem? A. Tiger. B. Wolf. C. Bear.
A. Tiger.